All right, it is a new year, which means new trends and the beauty world. There's nobody better to tap in right now than our own beauty expert and my pal, Christina Gallardo. She's going to be giving us the beauty beat, all the tea, and what to expect this coming year. First up, Happy New Year. Happy New Year, Christina.
Happy New Year. You looked fabulous at first night. Killed it.
Thank you so much. For everyone who's watching outside of Boston, that's New Year's Eve here. I have a good time doing it. Okay, so let's talk makeup trends for 2022. What is the overall theme this year? Anything?
So the overall theme is individualized beauty. We're saying goodbye to everyone contouring our faces the same exact way and creating those same perfectly blended eyeshadow looks. And now it's all about doing your makeup in whatever way makes you feel good. So it's about having an emotional connection to your makeup and all the colors you choose to use.
Okay, so break this down for myself and anyone who has no clue what you mean there. Break it down with some examples for us.
Okay, so with the focus coming away from the neutral, obviously contoured and highlighted looks, it allows for more freedom to play with colorful abstract eye looks like this one. Experts are expecting to see splashes of unexpected bold colors, think vibrant feel-good looks, and coloring outside the lines.
All right, I can get into that. What else are they predicting for eyes this year?
So those bejeweled eyes that we mentioned for holiday glam seem to be here to stay. We're seeing them in more casual looks too. This gorgeous look by Mickey Makeup. And then futuristic. So we're seeing a lot of futuristic looks using face stickers and foils on the eyes, which are actually very user-friendly. And then brows are still in, but they're a little bit more natural. So think more transparent, lifted eyebrows. So you're still using your gel or your eyebrow soap to fluff them into place, but don't stick them or shellac them to your face. And when you're filling them in, focus more on light hair strokes instead of shading them in to be more of that stamped on look.
All right, noted. I'm jotting down all the notes for myself this year, Christina. Let's talk about skin. The last year, we talked about skinimalism. Is that still a thing?
So in terms of skin, the trend is still more natural and minimal. Soft sculpting, like you can see in terms of contour and blush, light foundations and concealers, but with a long wear, less dewy focus. And we're also seeing more of a patchwork approach. So only applying foundation and concealer where you actually need it to cover and or lift instead of layers of makeup all over the face.
Listen. I can get down with it. You said lift. I can always get down with a little lift over here, all right? I'll do whatever it takes. Whatever it takes, Christina. Let's talk about lips, too. What about lips for this year?
So the same way we're having fun with color on eyes, we're seeing it on lips too. It's definitely the year to play with color. And then in terms of lip liner, it's about using lip lining techniques to lift and plump your lips. As you can see from these examples, overdrawing and reshaping in an aesthetically pleasing, not overdone way. And then we're also predicting lots of high shine gloss. It's more fun and it can have more benefits if you purchase glosses with skincare built in, giving you hydrated, glossy, pouty lips for 2022.
All right, so in terms of makeup, it looks like there's a lot to love about 2022. It looks like it's all about color, creativity. So that's exciting to look forward to. Of course, Christina, you can find her online, of course. We love you, girl. Thank you so much for jumping on with us. You can tune in every Tuesday for the Beauty Beat. And in the meantime, follow my girl, Christina, on Instagram. It's makeup by Christina G_.